dear friends. My name is Shaurya Anil Shirsat. I study in first class. I am here to tell you about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Today I am very happy because today is birth anniversary of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar born on 14th April 1891 in Mahugaon. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's father's name was Ramji and mother's name was Bhimabai. He was a great freedom fighter. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was very sharp and intelligent from his childhood. दलितांची तुम्ही तलवार होऊन गेलात, होता तुम्ही गरीब, पण जगाचे कोहिनूर होऊन गेलात. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar written the Constitution of India. Bhim Jayanti is celebrated all over the world. Thank you.